Hey there! Today we're going to be looking at the latest collab between Nike SB and Stussy. Let's go and have a look. Hey there YouTube, my name is Mr. B and today we're going to be taking a look at these Nike SB blazers, the latest collab with Stussy, or as I used to say, Stussy. But just in case you're new to these parts, just want to let you know what we do. We tend to do these sneaker unboxings, we do these cinematic on foot things, and we also not things, they're movies, they're little movies, they're kind of cinematic. They kind of give you a better look of the shoes. And we also stream on Sundays, that's at 8 PM UK time, that's about midday on the West Coast, probably about 3 PM on the East Coast. And what do we do on those streams? We talk about sneakers, but enough of that. I have got here a box. Now you can all tell, so regular viewers can all tell that I haven't bought these at all from Nike or from Note or from any other online type store. I actually picked these at online store. I actually picked these up from Atlas in San Mateo. Been gone a while. Apologies to everyone who's been waiting for uploads. Been a bit ill, been in the US. But I have here, shall I tell you? Should I tell you what I've got? I've got the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Quick Strike. It's an 11.5. That makes it a UK 10.5. And their code SJ there on Sneaker Cam is AH6158700. And just to prove I didn't buy these online, look. There's the in-store sticker. No, you can't see that anymore. Go away. Most people could get the lows of these, and we'll do an unboxing of those later. But these are the mids. First thing is you open the box and you get this little envelope, but we'll come back to that because I haven't opened it yet and I'm kind of loath to open it at the moment. It says Nike SB there. Can you see that, SJ? I feel like there's lots of movement in this video, everyone. Right, so we've got woodcut paper. We love woodcut paper. We have got one blazer, two blazer, and I haven't really had these out of the box, everyone. You know what I didn't do? I didn't tell you the color, everyone. So they are Midwest gold and black. Right, let's get rid of the box. Don't care about that. Whew, so I did a very old-fashioned thing for these, didn't I, SJ? Very old-fashioned for these shoes. What did I do, SJ?
Went to a shop.
What else did I do? What else did we do together for these shoes?
We queued up.
Can you say that again? I didn't hear you.
We queued up.
Ah, yeah, we queued up for these.
Very short queue.
Very short queue. There was a line. We were second in line, and there was people behind us. So first of all, take a look at this Midwest gold. They are remarkably nice. A little mark here. Little mark. But I'm gonna forgive that because
It's more than a little mark.
there's these little marks on the side here. I think they've been like distressed. They haven't been distressed, everyone. I just made that up. So we are looking at standard blazer. What stands these apart is obviously this is a collab with Stussy. Everyone knows Stussy, certainly in the skate community. Still wearing Stussy, aren't you, SJ?
Yep.
Still wearing Stussy. SJ is actually remarkably gutted that they didn't have these in her size. You can't see her right now. You can't see her behind the camera. She is literally frowning and pouting and anything because she wanted these shoes so much. So I'm just going to loosen the laces because they are still factory laced. I didn't even try them on in shop. People weren't trying them on at all. They were just literally, right, what's the size? And I don't think people were buying these to resell. Like the people looked like, I know you can't judge a book by the cover, but they looked like they were going to wear them. Okay, SJ, alternate laces, sort of the same actually. They're not really alternate. You just got spare black waxed laces. Would you say that they're the same, aren't they? Yeah, we got the same. So we'll just throw those down to the side as well. Look at the Stussy, man. Look at, like, she's just pouting away here. She's pouting, like, she really wants these shoes, everyone. She really wants them. And then if we flip on the other side, what we've got on the other side of the tongue, Nike SB, but we've actually got leather lining here. These are left unfinished on the tongue top there. We've got this shaggy, dirty Midwest gold suede. We've got Stussy on the back there. Okay. You really, right, you can see that. She's just off camera, just here, yeah? She's just off the camera. She is right now pouting, like still, like she's really frowning at me. I'm kind of scared. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, these are an amazing pair of blazers, right? They're really padded as well, like, and if you'd seen, there was, I think, 50 pairs of these customized by Lance Mountain using the spray template, which I'm going to show you in a minute, which I haven't opened yet. And you all know that I don't sell my shoes, so it doesn't matter if I do open. I'm just going to tuck this paper in here because I just want to see if SJ there on the sneaker cam can also see that we've got on the inside. You got that? Bring it to you. Take it away into the light. Move the lace, right? I'm trying, like, you've got that, move this, move that. What I got was, and I'm trying to interpret, and it totally did not mean move the lace. Right, you ready? You got that? Was the lace moved? Yeah. Oh, I haven't done one of these for a while. Does that, like, the hand movement, oh, no, now this means bring it in. So yeah, there's a logo in there, but I want to say, so what was I saying? So there's 50 pairs of these that had already been hand customized by Lance Mountain. You know he loves a blazer. I want to say the padding around the ankle, it feels thicker. I don't know whether it is, it might just be like the placebo effect, but this feels round here, this feels a lot thicker than normal. God, they smell good. They smell really leathery. They don't smell gluey. God, my word, that smells good. Oh, these are so nice. I love this suede. Like, this suede is so shaggy. I love, like, the other thing I find really, like, so it is black, but this black is really nice in the fadedness. The face has emerged again. The face has emerged. Right, shall we do this, people? You can see them there, sat in front of me. But the thing with these is they're designed with the DIY sort of aesthetic, just DIY-ness of skating. Like, we all built little kicker ramps, and we actually built at school a fun ramp, like this little mini ramp thing. It was dangerous, and we stole scaffolding, and we got loads and loads of plywood. It was a long time ago, but that remains at the heart of skate culture. So these are the stencils, and oh, that's cool. Stencil over the top there, SJ. But also, we can just go around the place and just start spraying Nike SB everywhere. So everyone, we can see that that is actually a pretty bang, like, oh no. Phew, that's gonna be really interesting. Like, I'm gonna have a few practice sprays on the wall, SJ say. SJ wants, right, this is when you know you've got an amazing wife. When your wife says to you, yeah, why don't you just take the stencil and take it onto the wall and spray it on the wall to see if it works. Who else's wife would say that? Amazing, SJ, thank you. I'm gonna spray the wall. I'm not very good at spraying, but I do know a man who is very good at spraying. That might be the thing. So people, what do you think? Do you think I should spray paint them? I want to. I'm scared that I'll absolutely screw them up and mess them up. This is a family-friendly show, so we'll beat that bit right now. What do you think, everyone? Let's get that out of there, put that back in there. Do you like them, everybody? Do you like these? Good cop, bad cop? SJ loves them. SJ, shake the camera if you love these. Oh, she's lying. She is really, like, I want to flip the camera. I really do want to just flip the camera so that, right, I'm going to get the phone. I'm going to get the phone. So you can all see this, literally, like this was unscripted. Okay, we're just gonna flip to this video. Right, can we see, SJ? You want these? Why are you hiding? Yes, there we go. So everyone, what do you think? Do you like these? Should I spray them? Let us know in the comments. Should I spray these? And of course, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed by now, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, again, down there somewhere. And I just want to say a massive thank you. Whoop. You can see I haven't done one of these for a while. A massive thank you to everyone for subscribing, for viewing, for commenting, all of that. Thank you so much. And I suppose I'll see you later. Bye.
They're so nice. I hate you.
Can you say that loudly?
You're so nice. I hate you.
I'm so nice. You hate me.
No, you're so nice. I hate you.
Amazing. Amazing people. See ya.